how can I help them? I said, I'm really sorry. If I have machine, I have somewhere I get machine. I'm never get a wait list. I get you job.
Behind me, I can't go in because it's full of ladies who haven't signed consent forms for their photos to be taken. But this is every single morning. The banging starts outside at about 7 o'clock in the morning. The room fills with women begging for work, and Rahila has to go in and spend an hour every morning consoling them that there are no jobs left. We need more machines so that we can employ them.
We want to keep tradition. We want to keep all the tradition, and we want to keep that there, but we want to do it with all the colour, with all the joy, and with all the tradition, but without the waste. Our tagline is "Give joy, not waste."